It's been so long since we put out a video, I know. We have a lot of stuff in the works, a lot of stuff that's going to come out really, really soon. But in the meantime, I wanted to put out something that I think is a little bit different for us, a little bit new. And I'm going to make use of the bar that I own downtown called the Steel Barrel, which does a lot of awesome cocktails. So in this one, we're going to teach you how to make a beer-themed cocktail using wit beer. So this is a cocktail that we made up to be based off of our wit beer that we make in-house. It's phenomenal. I think it's one of the cleanest to style. Other wit beers you can find on the market are Hogarden, that's probably the most prodigal one. Avery makes a fantastic wit beer as well. And then if you need to go to the big boy source, you can always go Blue Moon as well. But we're gonna go ahead and run you through how to make this. So the base of this is gonna be what you pair with normal wit beers, which is a couple of oranges. We're gonna throw those into the bottom of the glass, right there. And we're gonna give those a good squish with our muddler here. That's good. You don't need to overpress them, you don't want to pulverize them, but you want to really release the aromatics in the rind while also expressing some of the juice. Next, we're going to go ahead and throw in about 1 ounce of mezcal. We just use a nice well mezcal here, called Verde Momento. So, and 1, 2, 3, 4. That's probably over 1 ounce, but it's all good. It's been a while since I've been behind the bar. Ounce of mezcal. We're going to throw in a couple of dashes of orange bitters, right there. And then we're just going to give you a little scoop of ice. If you're behind the bar, never scoop with the glass, because if that breaks into your glass, you're going to have shards that you don't want to serve the customers. And then all we're going to do is give this a quick stir. And then we're going to add in about 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. Another quick stir. And then we're going to let that rest for about a minute. While we're doing that, we have to go get our, what, Logan?
What am I doing?
We got to go get our wit beer out. He's just not on top of it today. So let's go get that real quick. So we have our super delicious, really clean Genus Brewing wit beer here. And we're gonna take about 1 ounce of that, and we're gonna actually use that to top off our cocktail here. So, next step, now that this is rested, and resting is actually a really important part. It helps infuse flavors, and it also helps mellow out some of the harsher flavors that can come with certain aromatic ingredients. So we'll take this, strain this into our cocktail glass. After your hard alcohols and before your topper, you always want to pack with ice. That's a really important step. That keeps the cocktail from getting too diluted because everything stays really small. So packing with ice is actually a really important step so that you don't get too watery in there. And then last but not least, we'll just top with some wit beer. Yum. And then we're going to garnish with an orange. Peeling that over there will express the oils of the orange. This is really important as well. We're just going to take that, give it another little twist right over there, rim the glass. That way when the glass is on your nose, you really taste that orange flavor. And we're going to dunk that right in. And that is your Mezcal Wit Loma beer.
Thank you.
That was mine. I wanted that.